As the garden whispered tales of beauty, my camera gracefully perched on a sophisticated rail, unveiled nature's secrets. There's no way I'm paying so much money for a rail that I can make myself. I mean, just look at this Lego cart. I positioned the Lego cart on the track, and the camera, perched on its rail, was ready for action. In a quiet workshop, the Lego cart took shape with the help of a 3D printed connector. A clever addition for smooth moves. Get set for the adventures as this Lego cart, powered by its 3D printed sidekick, gets ready to roll in the world of surprises. I designed this custom 3D printed part to be threaded into this ball socket tripod mount. This part also interlocks perfectly with other Lego parts. I add additional braces to lock this part into place so it doesn't fall off. It threads on perfectly and it swivels without a doubt. I added an additional leg so it doesn't come off the rail. See, it does not come off, so my camera is safe. I added these extra wheels on the side so it doesn't rub on the side and make noise. This is some other footage that I got with this camera rail. Did you know an average worker bee produces a mere 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime? A remarkable 1,000 bees must visit astounding 4 million flowers just for a kilogram of honey.